In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Geometry Dash on your PC or laptop. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, the best way I've found to download Geometry Dash on your PC and install it is to use your Steam on your PC. So go ahead and open up Steam. If you haven't, go ahead and download and install Steam. And then from here, you want to click on Store and then search for Geometry Dash. There it is here, Geometry Dash. It's for $7.50. So scroll down and click on Add to Cart. It's added to cart. Then click on View My Cart. And here it is here. And then click on Continue to Payment. It's for $7.50 Australian. Choose your payment method. So I'm going to keep it as, I'm going to change it to MasterCard. I'm going to put in my card details here, first name, last name, etc. Click on continue and follow through the process. And once that is done, you can go ahead and download and install Geometry Dash on your PC and play the game.